Something may feel like a simple shift problem at first, but for some Hyundai and Genesis drivers, it can point to a much bigger transmission issue. If your vehicle is slipping, flaring between gears, or suddenly not pulling the way it should, this may be more serious than it seems. What makes this tricky is it does not always start with a dramatic failure. Many drivers first notice higher than normal revs, a delayed shift, or that strange feeling like the transmission cannot decide on a gear. It can feel like weak acceleration, a flare between gears, or a sudden lack of pull even while the engine keeps revving. Exactly the kind of early warning that's easy to overlook. At first, many people assume it is low fluid, a computer glitch, or just a rough shift that will go away. That is part of why this issue can catch owners off guard. According to Hyundai Bulletin 24AT02H, this involves automatic transmission incorrect ratio codes. Hyundai describes it as transmission clutch slip in gear above limit, much more serious than a normal rough shifting complaint. The bulletin says it can affect a long list of Hyundai and Genesis vehicles from about 2006 through 2024, including the Elantra, Sonata, Tucson, Santa Fe, and Palisade, plus many more. The main trouble codes tied directly to this bulletin are P0731, P0732, P0733, P0734, P0735, and P0736. You may also see P0729, P076F, and P00730. These are incorrect ratio codes, meaning the transmission is not achieving the gear ratio the computer expects for that gear. In plain terms, the controller compares expected gear ratio to sensor data, and when those do not align, it logs an incorrect ratio fault. That is why drivers report slipping, hanging in gear, flaring RPM, hard shifts, weak acceleration, or a sudden loss of pull even as the engine revs. Real-world symptoms that match these codes. Hyundai does not frame this as a minor adjustment. The procedure says, connect the factory scan tool, record the codes, clear them, road test, and then split the repair path based on what returns. If only the incorrect ratio codes listed in the bulletin are present, Hyundai's direction is to refer to the shop manual and replace the transmission, not just a fluid service or quick electronic fix. There is an important twist. If the technician finds certain input or output speed sensor codes, or certain solenoid codes, they are supposed to follow a different TSB and repair path instead of automatically replacing the transmission. Those related codes include P0707, P0721, and P0722 for speed sensors, plus solenoid codes P0743, P0748, P0753, P0758, P0763, P0768, P0773, and P2709. The exact code mix matters. That distinction is huge because two vehicles can feel similar from the driver's seat yet lead to very different repairs. One toward sensors or solenoids, another toward internal failure requiring replacement. In real life, owners often say the car drives normal at times, then suddenly slips badly, limits speed, or refuses to upshift until a restart, making the problem seem inconsistent. That inconsistency fits a ratio mismatch. The computer compares expected behavior to speed sensor data, and when the numbers do not line up, it stores an incorrect ratio code. Mechanically, Hyundai's wording points to clutch slip in gear above limit, meaning the transmission is not holding the gear relationship under load. Do not assume every code means the same repair. Ratio-only cases differ from sensor and solenoid cases. Now, rough 2026 costs. If diagnosis points to sensors or solenoids, total may land much lower. But for ratio code-only paths that call for replacement, expect about $3,800 to $5,800 at an independent shop, or around $5,500 to $8,000 at a dealership, depending on model and labor. If your Hyundai or Genesis shows these incorrect ratio codes, slips between gears, or revs without matching acceleration, take it seriously. Have you dealt with this on an Elantra, Sonata, Tucson, Santa Fe, Palisade, or another model? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and share.